How to cook microwave popcorn in a Samsung microwave. Act 2. As you can see, it says remove from plastic wrap, this side down. Place it in your microwave. Over here is a popcorn button. Push it. Push start. Sensing. So let's just watch and see how long this takes. Still sensing. I believe it usually takes 2-3 minutes to pop up a bag of popcorn. Let's see how good a job this does. This is my first time ever doing it, so I have no idea what's going on with that sensor. Just seem rather intrigued to try it out. This microwave is less than a year old. It was from Home Depot. When I installed it, I did move the fan direction up there to blow out the front because we don't have a duct to go outside from it. Can't feel anything up there anyways, so it's not doing that. I don't hear anything yet. Oh, there's one. 2. Starting to pop. Since the beginning of this video, it's been almost 2 minutes now. It's really starting to pop now. Big question, is it gonna stop? Oh, 51 seconds it says. That's pretty cool. Oh, 30 more seconds, that seems like a lot. Slowing down. 19 seconds. Still popping. Still hear some popping. Oh, it's stopped. Oh, a couple more. 3 seconds. 2, 1, 0. That's it. Before I go, you take one of these and I heard another one pop. See if any more pop. That's it. Oh, cool. So it's that time, just push the button. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.